Hello everybody, you could call me Hunch, and I just want to let everybody know that I'm getting good at this, okay? And you are too. So, the last video I made, it was about, well, 2 videos ago, it was about Chiliz. Now, what was Chiliz? It's kind of a social token. It's a Web3 metaverse token. Ooh. Anyway, it's spooky. So, let's dive on in. First of all, this is Raul Paul. He wrote this after I made the video, right? And he's a big-time investor. He has a lot of influence on YouTube and all that. Anyway, he wrote something. Let's show it. Zoom in for you guys, okay? He goes, oh, well, that's too far. Here we go. I obviously also own Bitcoin and a whole bunch of other cryptos, layer 1s, DeFi, interoperability stuff. I think the most undervalued place for the future, not now, are Rally.io, Chiliz, Dapper Labs, Sandbox, Decentraland, and other metaverse social tokens. So the one I want you guys to take notice of is Chiliz, obviously. Woo woo. And then Decentraland. I've been looking at Decentraland a long time. I never bought it. Well, I bought some, but I sold a long time ago, in and out. Before I, started to study charts a little more and understand Web 3.0. But anyway, let's look at the Chiliz chart. Here's Chiliz. I made a video saying this is a huge descending wedge. And if Web 3.0 is a thing, or metaverse things, this is the bet I would take. It's low cap. It was at like 2 billion when I said it. And it was trading at 30 cents. It's now up to 38.5, 39, depends on the exchange. Volume is going up. They've got a bunch of partnerships. And so this is the type of thing I'm talking about. I mean, it's so obvious with the chatter around Twitter. I shouldn't say so obvious. You got to follow a lot of the right people and smart people and kind of get a feel for, what's hot in the moment. Is it DeFi? Is it metaverse? Is it Web 3.0? Is it, it switches constantly. Is it, a Bitcoin narrative? Anyway, then you had a smaller wedge. It broke out. I think it's going even higher because look at this. This chart, these two charts are almost identical. Both Web 3.0 type things. This is Decentraland or Mana. You got a wedge within a wedge. Shoots way up. I don't always know what I'm talking about, but like I'm starting to study it. So I didn't before. I was just looking at it. I was like, oh, I should look into this. Now I'm starting to place bets on these things. So I never touched the Bitcoin, but I'll do a separate little thing and try to make some bets. Should you do it? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think you should look into it. Anyway, Chiliz, I think it goes a lot higher. I think that the green candle starts to look like that soon. Anyway, see you guys later.